Hey everyone, today I'd like to talk about hair restoration surgery, which is a passion of mine. First, I'd like to talk about the basic concept behind hair restoration surgery, and then discuss the approaches that can be taken in order to clarify some misconceptions I've noticed people have with the procedure itself. So the basic concept behind hair restoration surgery is that we take hair follicles, which include some support structures and the surrounding soft tissue around those hairs, and we take them from areas of the back of the head that tend not to be lost as we get older and transfer them to areas of the head where hair loss is actively occurring or has already occurred. There are two approaches to isolating those hair follicles in the back of the head, and that's where I think the misconception occurs, because hair restoration surgery is often marketed as a device or by the device, and it's not really the best way to think about it. The two approaches are: one, a strip procedure, in which a thin strip of tissue with the hair follicles is surgically excised from the back of the head and then closed carefully so that it heals beautifully and hides in the hair. Those hair follicles then are separated, isolated, and transferred to other areas of the head. The second approach, and the approach most affiliated with those devices that you've probably heard about, is called follicular unit extraction, or FUE. And that involves the use of a drill with a specialized tip, and where individual follicles in the back of the head are removed prior to them being placed in other areas of the head. Now, it really depends on the individual whether one approach or the other may be best. And in fact, usually the strip procedure is a better approach, and at least initially. In the end though, the same special care needs to be taken to designing the profile and the hairline. Special care needs to be taken understanding where hair should be placed and how much should be placed where. And also, it's important to understand that sometimes it requires multiple sessions and careful planning to achieve the results that people seek.